What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about never chase women, right? And what I mean by this is a lot of us, when we have, relationship issues, or a girl leaves us, or let's say a girl doesn't text us back, or a girl doesn't call us back. Basically, she ghosts you or she breaks up with you. She just leaves the relationship or whatever, right? A lot of us, what we do is we chase, right? And chasing is the worst thing you can do, because the more if this is the woman, the more you chase after her, the further she runs away, right? That's just how women are, right? So once you understand that, you know that chasing women is not only a waste of time, but it won't get you the result that you want, right? A lot of times it could be a test. So my solution to this, and this, I said this in the previous video, this is probably the hardest skill to learn once you start dating women, right? Is to do nothing. You do nothing. It's so simple, yet it's so hard, right? If she leaves, if she breaks up with you, she ghosts you, she doesn't text you back, she doesn't call you back, whatever it is, right? You do nothing. You go on about your business. You live your life. You don't chase after her, right? And what'll happen is maybe a week go by, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3. Eventually what'll happen is she'll be like, he didn't chase me. I haven't heard from him in like 2 weeks. What is it? I wonder what is he doing? He probably got another girl. Yeah, he probably got another girl. Because if he didn't have something else, taking his attention, then he would be calling my phone. You know what? I'm gonna call him and see what's up. And literally, that's how it would have played out, right? And you'll be receiving a call just randomly. Oh, hey, how you been? So, or a text message. Hey, what's up? So, guys. Women will do this. I'm not going to sit here and act like I know it all. I don't know why they do this, but I know that they do it, okay? They will just disappear for no reason. You literally could be doing everything right, or you could be doing something wrong. I don't know. But they will disappear. That's just in a woman's nature to do that. Especially if you're just dating. They'll just disappear on you randomly. And then you let them go. And eventually they come back on their own. Guys, you got to understand also, this is about masculine and feminine polarity, right? Masculine and feminine energy. If a woman leaves, right? Or she walks away, or she doesn't text you, or she leaves you on red, you chasing after her is feminine energy, because the feminine partner chases the masculine partner for attention and love, okay? That is why when you chase after a woman, it pushes her further away, because she's repelled by feminine energy. A feminine man, she's repelled by it. She can't stand it, okay? So you got to remember to stay in a masculine frame and to stay in a masculine role. I get it. We all want companionship. We all want love. I get it. She haven't talked to you. She didn't text you back. You haven't seen her in weeks or whatever. I get it. Trust me. I know firsthand how that feels. But if you want any chance of having any type of future, you have to do nothing. Let her go. She will eventually come back when she's ready. She will eventually text back when she's ready. She will eventually call you back when she's ready. But if you rush her and you chase after her, she's going to run further away, okay? So just remember that, guys. This is another short video. It was kind of straight to the point. Guys, I'm actually about to go to the gym. That's why I'm dressed like this. Normally I would be, in a suit or, just better dressed. But anyway, but yeah, guys, so if you want to get my one-on-one coaching, links will be down in the description. I do email coaching. I do face-to-face coaching. one-on-one, so you can get all that down below. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you guys some type of knowledge and insight. Trust me, guys, nobody's above female nature. This is just what happens. You deal with it and you act accordingly, okay? There's no way to change it. You can't change women. Women can't change men. But you adapt, okay? And now that you have the tools to adapt with, just remember, stay strong. I know it's going to be tough. It's tough for me. Trust me. I went through it last week. I was talking to a girl. Took her a whole week to get back to me. She eventually got back to me, okay? I didn't do anything. She eventually got back. So just, the more you do this with time, you will get better at this. And with if you have multiple relationships, over time you'll get better with this. But trust me, it's hard. I know, guys. I've been there. But I just want to give you guys the tools that you need to be successful, because trust me, back when I was in my early 20s, 18 years old, I was chasing, boy. When she ain't text me back, I was sending her 20 messages. What are you doing? Why didn't you answer me? I'm calling the phone, getting the answer machine, calling the phone again, getting the answer machine, calling. I'm calling 20 times. Guys, I was that guy, okay? That was me at 18 years old. And luckily, thank goodness, I learned skills that made me a better man. So just want to pass down the knowledge. But, guys, thanks for watching. Always thanks for watching. I'm so thankful for you guys. And rewatch this video, guys. One thing that helped me is whenever I felt myself getting weak, right? Or I'm like, I'm about to text her. Or like, it's been a week I ain't heard from her, let me text her. What I would do is go back and watch a video, right? And that video would get me right back in that mindset. Like, all right, don't do nothing. She's gonna call you eventually. And so, guys, if you have that problem or you feel yourself getting weak, rewatch this video. Rewatch this video, and I promise you guys, it'll be okay. You'll get through it, okay? You'll get through it. So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks.